power plant is a New Holland 5-ton 80 horsepower skid steer loader. We had the grader attachment designed and built specifically for car park construction, building platforms and small road projects. This machine also has fully automatic laser control capabilities. The machine has plenty of power to push a good quantity of material, and you can see that the blade is designed that it's got a good mixing action and keeps the material together. Here you can see that the blade is pushing a large quantity of material, which again is getting mixed well, and certainly stops the material from separating and going bony. One of the main features with this machine is the ability to pick the blade up and spin around on the spot and start working back the other way, which with a conventional grader, of course, they're going to have to go and find somewhere to turn around, and there's quite a substantial amount of time lost. Where this only takes a couple of seconds, as you can see, just spins around and drops the blade, and we're heading back the other way, which is particularly good if you've got to push the material towards different areas, because it's been dropped thicker in one spot more than another from the trucks. And of course the beauty is that when you get to the end of the run, if you've got a little bit left over, you can just drop the blade over the back of it and back blade it smooth. Spin round again, just a couple of seconds. Working back the other way. Again, conventional grader would take 2 or 3 minutes to go and turn around somewhere. The end of the run, just spin round, and we're coming back the other way again in just a matter of a few seconds. Again, you can see here the mixing action of the blade is doing a lovely job there. Should the material need a bit more water to be mixed in, light spray with the water truck or hoses, and the machine will mix that in very well. You can see here moving the windrow across the job, again mixing the material well and moving a substantial amount of material. This grader does basically everything a conventional grader does. It's got the angle, the tilt, lift, and as you can see again, it's moving the material quite effortlessly and leaving a lovely finish behind. Another feature we have specially made are the slick tyres, which you can see there, and these are specifically done so that once we've levelled the crushed rock off and it's rolled and everything's looking nice, ready for asphalt, we can drive over it without scuffing the top up and doing any damage. Another feature of the slick tyres is that it can be used as a multi-wheel roller in the event that it's not cost effective to bring another machine in, or a multi-wheel roller in to do the job. This can be used in that scenario. Another advantage with this grader is that because it's not as stiff and as heavy and as rigid as a conventional grader, when you're cleaning the top of the curb off from any spillage, it does it really remarkably gently. Doesn't leave big scratches or big chunks out of the concrete. And as you can see there's not a right lot left for the labourers to sweep off with a broom. Again, you can see its key feature of the manoeuvrability. You can just back up, spin round, manoeuvre anywhere you want, trying to get into those little corners and the awkward spots round tight bends. Its manoeuvrability is just unsurpassed by any conventional grader. As mentioned before, the grader attachment can be fitted with the laser sensor, and the hydraulics will take over and work the levels fully automatically. Now, as a loader, this machine has got an enormous amount of power, and as you can see there's probably 3 metres of material in front of that. It's a 3/4 metre bucket. It's 2 metres wide. Can load a tandem tipper in about 4 minutes under the right circumstances. About the same speed as a 12-ton excavator. Its pushing power and digging power is that almost the same as a small track excavator. Its lifting capabilities are quite incredible. It picks up 1.2 tonnes with ease, and as you can see, we just pick up a few cars, stack them on top of a truck. This machine excels itself in small subdivisions, small roads, reconstruction of roads in bushy areas. As you can see, this road's very narrow. It's also perfect for doing large building platforms, as this one here, for 5,000 square metres, and the laser control levels that off to an incredible accuracy. Concreters are particularly fond of using this machine, as it reduces their overuse of concrete due to its accuracy. It's very cost effective when you can set the laser up on a large area like this, 2,500 square metres, and the automatic laser control just takes away all the guesswork. It's also very efficient on the excavation side of things, and particularly when you're working in with another machine. The levels are taken care of with the laser. The loader itself is also set up for fully automatic laser control. As you can see, the sensor there, the lights flicking, which indicates that it's exactly on level. And for placing crushed rock or stone dust to underside of concrete for building platforms, it's a perfect vehicle. Because of the accuracy of the fully automatic laser control system, we were able to save 60 tonnes of crushed rock over this 2,000 square metre building platform, worth about $1,400. Doesn't matter whether it's day or night, or whether we're working in an underground car park. All we need to do is see where we're going. We don't actually have to see what we're doing. You can see the laser light flicking there, which is saying we're perfectly on grade. And again, the machine is just levelling the stone dust off to underside of concrete. As mentioned before, we can load a tandem tipper in 4 to 5 minutes, and as you can see here, this is a high-sided tandem, and we're reaching over the top with ease, which enables us to just load from one side. We also have a 2 metre wide road sweeper attachment and fork attachments, which are available if required.